Hey family, just a little quick video. Soon as I start, here go my neighbors want to cut their damn grass. The sun is down. It's about 80 degrees out here, and I'm trying to do a little watermelon harvest.
She fabricating. It's 110 out here.
But the sun is going down still. So we're going to check the watermelons, y'all, and see what's ready. And see if we can do a little taste test on the watermelons. So if you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Thumbs up the video. Leave your comments down below. And if you're already a part of the family, we do this for you. Okay, guys, let's just jump right on into it. Let's see what we got. Okay. Ugh. Okay. Tendril, not brown on that one. But it's a little nice size though, y'all. Let's move right on along. Let's move right on along. Okay. That tendril kind of broke off right there, but it's still green. It's not brown. I hope everybody is surviving pretty good. Look at the little baby down there. That little baby. That little baby down there. Got these weeds everywhere. Alright, y'all. Let me try to get through this jungle. Okay. Now this tendril on this one is brown, but it's small and it's cracking too, so we might get that one. Hold on, y'all, I gotta give me some cutter for these mosquitoes, so hold on. Okay, gang, I'm back. Okay, that one's still good. Yeah, I remember the one with the hole in it. That's probably the one we gonna get out first. They cracked because it was over here on the ground. His little tendril down. So I guess these Icebox watermelons, they just come in all kind of sizes. And see, I be wanting to leave it on there to this part turn brown. I mean, it's my first time growing watermelons, but it would just make sense just to wait till the tendril turns brown and the stem. I don't know if that's too late or what. I gotta get out here and clean some of this mess up, y'all. It's just too damn hot. And see, the tendril on that one is brown too. That one isn't. Woo. Look at the Jubilee, y'all. Jubilee looking good. And it's a guy in my city that has the yellow meat watermelons. I am gonna meet with him one of these days this week and get me one. And they are seed. It is a seed watermelon, so I will have seeds for the yellow meat watermelon next year. That's another Jubilee, y'all. I don't guess that one was fully fertilized, right? I don't guess. Then we got this big boy sitting here. I just laid him on the brick. Because he hanging. Another jubilee. Alright, y'all. Now, we done lost a lot of watermelons. Because of the heat. It's like they just falling off the vine. And see, that one didn't get pollinated all the way either. But I mean, good looking little watermelons just falling off the vine, y'all. Because it's too doggone hot. So, we're going to jump right on in here. I see another cucumber. I hope y'all check out the video for the 13-pound plus cucumbers. Like, it was totally a super duper blessing. Look, y'all. Look what I spot. Gifts that just keep on giving. Alright, y'all. So, baby finna go ahead on and take. Yeah, I seen it.
I don't see it tender though.
Baby inching to get one of these watermelons off of her, y'all. So we gonna see what this one that was cracked looking like. This called slime mold. Hold it over here. What? Y'all see it? I think that's called slime mold. Why you still pointing to it? That's what I'm talking about, honey. Come on. When you growing your own food, you gonna see all kind of shit you ain't never seen before. Look at that cucumber over there, y'all.
At the bottom, high.
You gonna get it off. It's a nice size and it's still green. Okay, I guess you can just lay it right here. We just want to cut it open and see. And if it's red, we'll taste it for you guys.
It's hard too. It just buzzed right on over.
Well, it was almost ready, y'all. It was almost ready. Just not completely. Well, cut a little piece of the red pieces.
Oh, it smells good too. You smell it?
Yeah, it does smell good. It smells like good watermelon. But I imagine it's supposed to be redder than that in the inside.
It's juicy. Look at all that juice, y'all. Look at all them seeds.
Alright, y'all. I'm finna taste it. It's good, y'all. It's good, bro. And y'all see how juicy it is? My God. I'm slobbing, y'all. Hold on. Hold on. Alright, y'all. I had to get myself all the way together. Like, seriously. But, it is good. It really, really is. And there's a lot of seeds off in there, too. And look how juicy it is, y'all. And it tastes sweet for it to be a little small watermelon like that. What you think, baby? He over there messing it up.
I've been waiting on it.
Yeah, he been waiting on it.
Yeah,
but y'all, this our first time, and it's actually sweet.
It's juicy. It's sweet. And we got a lot of seeds for next year.
Yes, sir.
See it, y'all?
It's real juicy.
I ain't gonna even lie. It's so good. I don't even care about the color.
He said, I don't even care about the color. Y'all, it is really, really sweet to be a small watermelon. I have watched a few people videos saying that they didn't like the Icebox. And I saw some videos where people said they did like the Icebox. I'm going to have to give Icebox a win. Icebox is a win. that is one that I guess we'll keep growing, especially if, you know, something small to keep in the refrigerator for the kids and something for everybody to snack on, so we don't have to cut a big watermelon open. So yes, Icebox watermelons for the win, y'all. Baby, get that cucumber off of there. That's gonna be the end of this video, guys. That is gonna be the end of this video. With the who?
On the back of the brick back there.
That's all on that side.
No, look. Come right back.
I don't want to step on it.
Over here. Look at the corn brick.
Oh Lord, y'all, look. We got a watermelon on the corn. Done made its way over there to the corn bed, growing. So yes, I guess we gonna have to say growing watermelon was very, very pleasant. Not high maintenance, and the fruits of your labor is worth it. And when we opened the yam, the first thing I said when I seen all this white, I said it can't be ready, but it actually tastes sweet, tender, and delicious. And y'all see how much liquid in there. It's juicy. And then the sun cracked it open. And I told y'all on my watermelon update, I said I hope it heal a scab. And it did. So that's gonna be the end of this video, guys. Y'all make sure y'all thumbs up. Let us know if y'all want one of these watermelons. Y'all sure can come get y'all one. And we'll see y'all in the next video. Peace. Okay, so just a little small bonus clip. Baby just made a good point that people say that when the tendril is brown, that the watermelon is ready. So he like, okay, myth buster, because the tendril on that watermelon that had busted, it was brown. It was brown, but it could have took another week at least, I guess, or a week and a half. But as far as the taste is concerned, it's there. Like you couldn't tell the difference. But I guess if you want it to be more meaty, red meaty, you might want to leave it on there a week or so after your tendril turn brown. So that was just a little bonus. He had a good point when he said that, because everybody keeps saying if the tendril is brown and it's discoloration under the bottom, then it's ready. That's not really true. Just with this first time growing watermelons, we're gonna have to say after the tendril turn brown, give it another week or a week and a half, 2 weeks at the max, because you don't want it to be overripe, because the meat in the watermelon, the texture and taste will be a little bit different. Now, anybody who eat watermelon know an overripe watermelon is not as good as that fresh ripe. So we would say after the tendril turn brown, give it another week or so. That way you'll have more meat in your watermelon as far as Icebox is concerned, because we haven't grew anything but Icebox and Jubilee so far, and we haven't tested Jubilee out for ourselves yet. So yeah, that's the end of the bonus clip. Peace.